Arvind Kejriwal may not have responded to the Swati Maliwal controversy, but Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has given out the first reaction to what unfolded. Let's listen in to what Congress's General Secretary has said as she's campaigning for the India Bloc and her party in and across Uttar Pradesh.
I don't either not want to speak about it, nor do I want to wade into it. The Aam Aadmi Party leadership, I'm sure, is handling it and understanding exactly what happened and what the accusations are. They're doing that. On the front of women, all I will say is that wherever there is something like this, I'm always on the side of the woman. I don't either.
Let's listen in again. This is the first reaction to what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has said. Remember, unlike AAP leaders, Congress leader, and it's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who's given out the first response.
I don't either not want to speak about it, nor do I want to wade into it. The Aam Aadmi Party leadership, I'm sure, is handling it and understanding exactly what happened and what the accusations are. They're doing that. On the front of women, all I will say is that wherever there is something like this, I'm always on the side of the woman. I don't either not want to speak about it, nor do I want to wade into it. The Aam Aadmi Party leadership, I'm sure, is handling it and understanding exactly what happened and what the accusations are. They're doing that. On the front of women, all I will say is that wherever there is something like this, I'm always on the side of the woman.
That definitely reflects better on Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's at least given out a first comment, unlike Aam Aadmi Party leaders. I want to bring in Mausami Singh here. Mausami, you tell us, how should one view this statement coming in from Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra?
So Priyanka, we spoke to her and you've seen that reaction when Preeti asked her that question. Priyanka Gandhi saying straight away that, she's always stood by women as far as women's safety, security or any atrocity against women is concerned. And this time round also she said that she's sure that Arvind Kejriwal, if he's taken cognizance of this, has taken cognizance of the matter, though she said she was in campaign and hadn't really gone through the details of what the entire issue was. But if Swati Maliwal was wronged, she said, then I'm sure that the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal would react to that, and definitely she would be standing on the side of the person of the woman who's wrong. So thereby, rather than skirting the issue or not replying on it, we've seen in the past two press conferences of the India Bloc, whether it was yesterday, Kharge and Akhilesh ducking that question on Swati Maliwal, or even today, Arvind Kejriwal maintaining a mute silence. Priyanka Gandhi there saying that she stands by Swati Maliwal if the allegations are true. And I even asked her whether she would talk to Swati Maliwal. She said if she wants to, though she is a member of another party, and she expressed confidence in Arvind Kejriwal in this matter, saying that I'm sure he would do the right thing.
Mausami, I request you to please stay on, because let's listen in again to what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has said, and it's a very pertinent response coming in from the Congress leader.
I don't either not want to speak about it, nor do I want to wade into it. The Aam Aadmi Party leadership, I'm sure, is handling it and understanding exactly what happened and what the accusations are. They're doing that. On the front of women, all I will say is that wherever there is something like this, I'm always on the side of the woman.
Mausami continues to be with us. Mausami, this is significant because there were questions being raised of why certain India Bloc leaders, including Akhilesh Yadav and Mallikarjun Kharge, are not reacting. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, as a woman leader herself, her saying and speaking on this issue, even though, of course, a cautious, objective statement here, but do you think that at least it will give some points to the Congress party that they have given out a reaction on this developing story?
So clearly, that is the stand that the Congress was maintaining earlier, that it's completely an internal issue of the party. But at the same time, I told, we asked Priyanka that she speaks on Hathras and Unnao and on the wrestlers issue, but why should the Congress maintain a mute silence on this one? And she said, no, we are very clear I'm very clear that it's a women's issue. If it is any wrong against a woman, I would be standing regardless of whatever party that woman is, and I've always spoken out on that one. And thereby she said that, she expressed confidence. This is the first time round that a Congress leader of this stature has actually openly spoken about the Swati Maliwal issue. We've seen how in the morning Arvind Kejriwal at the Samajwadi Party office and even Akhilesh Yadav did not respond to questions, and it was left to Sanjay Singh to say that unnecessarily the entire issue was being politicized, while recalling the silence of the Prime Minister on Manipur and on the wrestlers' allegation.
Mosby, keep tracking all the latest, and to be fair, this is the first reaction, remember, for senior woman leader of the India bloc and Priyanka Gandhi Vajra is a star campaigner for the Congress party, for her to speak on the Swati Maliwal issue, even though Mallikarjun Kharge, Akhilesh Yadav, Arvind Kejriwal, Bibhav, all of them are silent, despite India Today trying to reach out to them for a comment. Mosby, thank you very much for that. I will continue to play more excerpts of that interview.